Class 10th Geography, Chapter Soil Resources in India. This is the second part of this chapter. The following major types of soils found in India are alluvial soils, black soils, red soils, laterite or lateric soils. Alluvial soils. These soils originate from the transported alluvium brought by the rivers. This soil is also called river soil. They are divided into two types: young khadar soils, old bhangar soils. Young khadar soils are newer alluvium. These contain fine sand and clay. They are pale brown in color. They are found at the lower levels near the rivers. These are frequently inundated and replenished by floods during rainy season. Khadar soil occupies the floodplains of the rivers and is enriched by fresh silt deposits every year. Old bhangar soil. These consist of older alluvium. These contain conker, pebbles and gravels. They are darker in color and vary from light grey to ash grey. They are found 30 meters above the flood level of rivers. They represent the riverine alluvium brought down by Satluj, Yamuna, Ghagra and other rivers of Indo-Gangetic plains. Alluvial soils of North India are pale brown in color. Alluvial soils of North India consists of vast tract of riverine alluvium of Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra plains. These are suitable for wheat crop. Alluvial soils of South India. Alluvial soils of the Deccan coastal strip are non-porous, clayey and dark in color. As rivers of Deccan Plateau flowing through black soil region carry the same to delta. These soils are called deltaic alluvium. They are more suitable for rice crop. Alluvial soils are transported soils. They are coarsest in the upper section of the valley, medium in the middle and finest in the delta region. They are light to dark in color depending on new or old alluvium. They are rich in potash and humus, deficient in phosphorus and nitrogen. They are very fertile and respond well to irrigation and manuring. They are good for both rabi and kharif crops. These soils are suitable for wheat, sugarcane, rice, cotton and oil seeds in delta region. They are ideal for jute cultivation. They are found in north-vast tract of riverine alluvium of Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra plains in the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. Black soil. They are formed in situ, that is, they are found where they are formed. They originate from solidification of basic lava spread over Deccan Plateau as a result of volcanic activity. Black soil retains moisture and becomes sticky when wet. They release moisture during dry period. The deeper the soil, more moisture it can hold. Black soil color varies from deep black to chestnut brown. The black color is due to crystalline, schist and basic gneiss. They are fine-grained in texture. Black soils are rich in lime, alumina, iron, potash, magnesium, calcium and carbonate. Black soils are deficient in phosphates, nitrogen and humus. Black soil of uplands are of low fertility, but they are dark, rich and deep in valley. Because of high fertility and retentivity of moisture, suitable for crop like cotton, rice, wheat, jowar, millets, sugarcane, tobacco, oil seeds like linseed and sunflower, fruits and vegetables. They are found in regions of their origin. They are confined to Deccan Trap as they have resulted from weathering of the Deccan Trap rocks of volcanic origin. They are found in the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and southern districts of Tamil Nadu. Here ends the second part of this chapter. We will continue this chapter in the next video.